Hoy! Sunod ka mo! Good day mga bata! This video is all about thermochemistry. But before we start, here are the learning competency we'll cover. The first one is distinguish exothermic and endothermic processes. And the second one is explain the first law of thermodynamics and enthalpy. The third one is calculate enthalpy change using Tasso's law. And the last one is apply calorimetry principles.